my god. Stop. Why? Oh no. Oh, rest in peace. Right, let's not jump down!
How did I jump down? CJ hit me, didn't he?
He just threw you, mate. He didn't just fucking hit you.
You fucking threw me! You fucking cum breath.
No.
Fuck's sake.
Should we try it again?
Yeah. Yeah, go for it.
No.
Good present.
What was that? Please
Fucking
don't.
hell,
Oh
Joe.
god.
Yeah, well you killed me, so fuck
Please
you.
don't.
I'm going to blow this. The present open.
Get a jetpack if you want. Get a shotgun. I got a pickaxe. See what I can do now is just like. Just
You don't know what CJ can do now.
Yeah, I know. I saw.
Oh, fuck's sake, where's my gun gone?
Hey, it's down here, mate. It's down here. I think Josh blew it away.
Just there.
Oh, there's we can revive someone.
Please.
Let's go this way, mate.
Please.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
Josh, please, mate.
Should've
CJ,
fucking-
this way, this way. Josh,
He
please.
should have fucking killed me, should he?
You killed me before, you right?
Right, I'm gonna drop a bomb. Nice. We can do it.
Yeah. Oh.
Have you only got one health already? Oh, I can't see you guys. CJ, please.
Oh.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Joe.
Sort it out.
Right, the exit's over here. Come on. Blow that box there, Josh. Blow it. The reactions though, fair play. Right, don't go. Go in. Fucking hell. Are you fucking retarded or something?
What are you doing? CJ.
Help him!
CJ.
Oh my god, go!
CJ.
You've got time to mate! CJ, please!
Spider! Oh no. Spider.
I'm fucking sick of playing this now.
I am, it's fucking shit. We couldn't even play Diablo, never mind this.
Get the compass, you fucking cum breath.
What am I fucking wanting again?
Just a little bit racist, this game.
Drop down,
I
drop
didn't
down.
do anything.
No, there's a arrow! Oh my god, you're all so fucking dumb. Right, let's have 2 more tries at it. No, 2 more.
Whoa!